Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can insert a table of content to your document. So most of the people doing this by manually that copy all the headings and add the page number in a separate page. So I will do this by automatic method. So go to the insert tab and then click on the blank page. So a blank page will be inserted in your document at the top. So the table of content must be your first page of the document. So here I insert a blank page, and now I will add a table of content. So go to the reference tab, and here you see the table of contents. So click on this. So here you see the already defined methods in which you can insert a table of content. So here are the different options which use the different headings and the table of content. So I will use a custom way on my choice. So come to the options. So here you see all the three headings are selected, heading 1, 2 and 3. I will deselect heading 1 because I don't want it to be shown in the table of content. So remove this, and only heading 2 and 3 will be shown in the table of content. So here you see a table of content is inserted in your document. So this is experiment number 9, and below which you see the subheadings, the excavation parts and hydraulic content. But here add the word table of content at the top. So here I type table of contents and bring it in a particular heading. So I will add in this so it look big and very attractive now. So this is my table of content you are seeing. So these are the different topics and subheadings through which you can sort out it in a easy way. The page number are shown at the right, but there is a point if you add some new topics to your document and you have already inserted a table of content and you want to update or you want the new topics to be shown in the table of content. So here there is an easy way. Go to the this tab, reference tab, and click on the update and update all content. So your table of content will be updated in this way. This is a quick method. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.